It's finally time I post a video because it takes a lot, man. But the reason why I think shorts look like a little better than the videos, or maybe not, because videos are full. Yeah, full. So, wait, shut up. Wait, shut up and let's get to the game. I'm gonna say which is. 1 second. I'm not. Now all I'm gonna do is build a boat in this game. So this game is called Build a Boat for Treasure. The objective is build your boat and get treasure. Never seen treasure in my life. I hate this. I hope it's the One Piece. Or easy one. It can't be an easy one. It's impossible. Because of course it's easy one for him. I mean, what do you expect from someone that's gambled? Yeah, he's been gambling 1 billion fucking times. I mean, makes sense. I'm doing the right thing. Now, this boat is gonna look good. Alright, this is our boat. It's really cool. Okay, now let's just skip these. Yeah, I died already. Now, let me get my best boat. Don't question the name. Look. This is my best build. No one has beaten me before. Now, go to second. Who is English? Who made English? I don't know who made English. You guess. Google it, you fucking bitch. I don't know who made the English alphabet. Yeah. I hope there's not a big rock that fucking almost deleted my boat. Oh, right. Is that fire? I don't know, but why is there even fire? Oh, fuck. Yeah, I'm doomed. I'm Dr. Doom. I suck at this game. Yeah, I suck. Is that all I get? Is that all I get? What the fuck is this? Harry Max, who the hell is? I don't know who this guy is. He just joined my team. No. Oh fuck, he fucking speaks another language. Now let's get to build our boat. I hope you don't fucking speak a goddamn different French language. Shut your ass up. Okay, maybe I shouldn't. I'm about to fall asleep while this guy's talking. I had it. I dare you to fuck. Yeah, that's not funny at all. But if you had attached it to a boat, it would be a better funny thing. And anyway, I joined it now. If you don't want to come, then fucking come, I said come. Now let me make my defense. You need to protect your boat from rocks. Yeah, from the rock. The rock hates boats. Stop! If you keep talking like that, I'm gonna get Drake in your location. And Diddy, Dr. Disrespect, Ava, Chris, Tyson, every predator ever, man. You don't want to see my alpha wolf. Roar. Okay, just get him now. I don't really care about those things. I'm just acting. I'm sorry if... Okay, no, this is gonna take a while. Right, here's our boat. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why I made it look like this. But but if you question something, why do you place this? Fuck you. I don't like rocks. I don't like the rock. Woo, woo, woo. Stop! You're not funny. God, it doesn't even kill people. It's for decoration. Oh my god, that was so scary. Okay, so someone's gonna kill himself. He's emo. I'm just gonna stay like this. Hey, why did I speed up all this? Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, I survived. This is what I do every day. Every single shit. I'm doomed. I'm Dr. Doomed. No, you gonna die. You gonna die. You gonna die. No, no. I refuse to die. This is not fair. Every time it hits, it fucking turns into the... Okay, that's not fair. Now how did the E dodge? Now how did a singular object fucking dodge? Okay, now you want to be rude. Man, this is disrespect. Yes, I want you to die, Maskar. Maskar. Oh shit. My name is... I don't know my name yet. No, just kidding. I was kidding. Oh fuck, we might... Yeah, we're dead. We're both dead. Why did I say Maskar? Maskar need to die. I was joking. I'm so friendly, right, guys? Don't die. Go even further and beyond. I guess this is a circus, but what does the circus have? I bet it has something for you. Oh wait, what does the circus have when I already fucking am in the circus? Okay, now I pass this. Okay, what's this? Beach? I don't... I've never got to the beach in my. Just I've gone many times. Okay, I have no hand. Time to turn into sands. Okay, now what the fuck? I have no hand. 2 hands. I've lost 2 hands. Oh fuck. No. Yay, I reached the fucking alien. I also. Oh, 1 second. I just got my stuff. Treasure hunter. Okay, so mascara. Mascara. Oh fuck. Mascara. Kawasaki. Gag. Three. Yeah, that's all I need now. Okay, now let's try again with a gambling. Let's go game. Oh, dang it. I got nothing useful. But now, this game is unfair. I can't even win. Yeah, I can't. Let me just open these. I'm just gonna gamble. What's this? Bam. Is this all they could give me? I'm gonna find their family and kill them. Okay, now what the fuck is he building? Is this the Great Wall China? Okay, I'm gonna help him build the Great Wall China. He just likes. There we did the Great Wall China. Now this is the Great Wall China. Okay, now what the actual fuck is worse? My brother, little bro, tried to get these kids. Who the hell are these people? Whoever these people are, now we're stuck here. Well, if you really liked what you saw, hit the like button and subscribe, or else I will fucking find your family. Alright, bye. Alright, bro, my brother left me. He left me. Okay, no, bye.